Hey friends, Shelly here with Seashells and Lemons. I learned something new and I thought I would share it with you guys. It's kind of called like stamp dragging or something. Anyways, it's a simple, easy way to create some texture on your stamping. Anyways, let me turn the camera and I'll show you. Alrighty, so you can see in the camera here, if you look closely at the flowers, you can see how they've kind of got a pattern to them. Somebody taught this and I thought it was the coolest thing, so I thought I'd try it for myself, and now I'm sharing it with you guys. So anyways, I'm gonna show you how this is done. Really simple and easy. And put my card up here so I can, yeah, I like to keep the picture of my card nearby so I can see what I'm doing here. I am using, let's see, the stamp of the month, which is only available until April 30th. So you can buy this stamp outright for $18.95, I think, or you can get it for $5 if you spend $50 on my website, which is shelly.closetomyheart.com, or just go to seashellsandlemons.com. Anyways, this adorable stamp set, once it's gone, it's gone. So after April, you can't even buy it outright. You just can't get it anymore. So it's really a good buy if you can get it for $5, because there's so much you can do with the stamps. So I have my card base here, and I'm using the this little edge right here because I really like clean lines, borders, and edges. So I'm going to put a border on the edge of my stamp here. Let me just get this one more time. Sorry about that, I kicked the table there. All right. Okay, good. Look at that. Usually it doesn't come out so well, and I did get a little black here, and you know, it's never good, but everything is fixable. Everything is fixable. I would never waste this and start over. I will always fix. All right, so we'll find a way to fix that in a second. I'm going to use the I So Totally Love You, and because it's just adorable, and I really love, I'm a fan of fonts, any kind of fonts, and this has got such a pretty font. There, pretty as that. Okay, let's see what else. I'm gonna stamp my little butterfly on the corner here, because then I'm done with the black. So there you go, my little butterfly, and I will clean my stamps after this video, but I kind of like to keep this a little short and sweet because nobody likes a really long, drawn-out video where people will talk about all kinds of crazy stuff. So I am using the big flower and then the sideways flower here. So the big flower I'm stamping right on my card stock here, my card base, and then the little one I actually cut out. So with the big one, I'm going to use Sweet Leaf, Lagoon, and Bluebird for inks. So let's go. So this is how it works here. Let me see if I can move this down and show you. So you actually stamp up your flower, and then what you're going to do is just drag. I just do a couple of them, drag and drop. And then I'll start like way out here. Oh, how pretty is that? Oh, I love it. I love it. Okay. And then I'll do Lagoon the same way. And let me stamp this off. And then let's see, stamp that off. Okay, Lagoon. It's my absolute favorite color in the entire stock. So I'm just gonna drag it to create those lines. And I have an accident, so I'm moving this over without lifting it. There. Boy, this card's a mess. Oh, you guys, I tell you. Look, there's no such thing as perfect, okay? And if you want it perfect, I'm gonna say it again, then you can buy it out of a pre-printed shop. But things that are handmade come perfectly imperfect. So, all right, let's try again with Bluebird. Maybe we'll have better luck with Bluebird. So stamp it and then create the lines, dragging, which is just so pretty. There. Well, that one came out just brilliant. All right. There, how pretty is that? And you can see the lines in it. Isn't it just so pretty? Okay, yeah, I thought so too. All right, so I already cut these out. I already, you know, stamped and cut these out just for purposes of time here for the video. And I'm going to use some foam tape and just cut off a little foam tape here. And let's see. And then I'm gonna adhere them right onto my page here. Whoopsie daisy. Boy, I'm such a wreck, I tell you. And if I put this one right here, it's gonna cover my accident. It's like it never ever happened. See that? Nobody would know that I had this accident. Put the blue one up there, and these can go like wherever. I mean, go crazy with it and put them wherever you think they look good. I am gonna go crazy and put them like this. There. Oh, how pretty is that? Okay, and then I learned something else, which was really cool. Let's see. One of the consultants, Dana, showed us how to use a pencil. And I have lemon here and the eraser off of a pencil. And I'm just gonna dab this in here and make centers that are yellow for my flowers. Isn't that so easy and fun? Look how pretty is that? Look at that. Look at how pretty. Oh, yeah. And did it wreck my pencil? No, it didn't. Oh my goodness, look at that. Isn't that so pretty, so pretty? Oh, quick, easy, I love it. Okay, so don't forget, you can only get the stamp of the month through the end of April. So many ideas. Follow me on YouTube. I would love it if you would. And check out my website, seashellsandlemons.com. Thanks, bye.